Hi, we're going to work on the Whale Amigurumi. This is the slip knot that we're going to start with. We'll start by making 2 chain stitches. This is the first chain stitch. Second chain stitch. This is the front of a chain stitch. The front of a chain stitch goes in loops. In the back of the chain stitch, there's a straight spine that runs through. We're going to work in rounds. Now we're going to do the first round of the whale. For the first round, we'll skip the chain stitch closest to the needle, and we'll start working on the first chain stitch, and we're going to crochet 6 single crochets. This is the first one. Six single crochets into the first chain stitch. That's 1 single crochet, that's 2 single crochets, three single crochets, four single crochets, five single crochets, six single crochets. There you have it. This is the first loop. The second loop, third loop, the fourth loop, the fifth loop, and the sixth loop. Okay, so 6 single crochets in the first round. Now for the second round, we will have to crochet 2 single crochets in each stitch on the first round. So this is the first single crochet on the first round. Try not to split the yarn. Okay, pull the yarn through, first single crochet, and then through the same stitch, second single crochet. Now we're putting in 2 single crochets per stitch. So from 6 stitches in the first round, we're going to increase to 12 stitches in the second round. So that was the first stitch. The second crochet stitch, we'll crochet another 2 single crochets in the second stitch. So 1, 2. So, and we continue. The next stitch, three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6th stitch, right? And the next one, 7, back in the same, 8, and the next, 9, 10, and the last 2, 11, 12. Oops, there we go. 12. Now you can see This is the second round with 12 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we want to increase by another 6 stitches for the third round, bringing the total number of stitches to 18. Each pattern is a single stitch, a single crochet, and a single crochet increase. That goes 6 times, right? First stitch, single crochet, second stitch, we want to increase, so a single crochet in the second stitch, and in the same second stitch another single crochet. So this is called a single crochet increase. So we did a single crochet increase, and we repeat that another 5 times. Single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet, and again increase. And then the next one, this is the third repeat, single crochet, single crochet increase. Single crochet, and then single crochet, increase in the same stitch. So now that we've finished the third round, we should have 18 stitches. Now for the fourth round, the pattern is single crochet, single crochet, single crochet increase, and again we repeat that 6 times, giving us 18 plus 6, which is 24 stitches. Alright, one thing handy to have is a stitch marker. The stitch marker will tell us where the start of the loop is. I usually loop it into my stitch so that I know this is the last stitch of the round. The next round, I said single crochet, single crochet, single crochet increase, right? So single crochet, single crochet in the next stitch, and now we need to increase, which means 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. So this is a single crochet in the third stitch, and in the same stitch another single crochet. So we increase 2 stitches in 1, right? You can see the yarn is starting to curve in a little bowl. Then we repeat, same thing, single, single, single increase, single crochet, single crochet, and increase. So 1 in the same stitch, 2, and we continue until we finish the round. The last set, single, single, and this is the last stitch. I'll take out the stitch marker, so that we could stitch into it. Increase 1 in the same stitch, 2. Towards the 5th round, the pattern is 3 single crochets and a single crochet increase. We repeat this 6 times, so from 24 stitches we add on another 6 stitches to make 30 stitches for the 5th round. So this is how it goes. Single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, oops, there we go, single crochet 3, and in the next stitch we do an increase, which is 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. So first, and in the same stitch, second, and we repeat this 5 more times to get 30 stitches. So this is the 5th round. For the next 3 rounds, we're not going to increase anymore. We're just going to retain 30 stitches for each round, which means a single crochet stitch in every stitch. So don't forget, like I did the last round, to put in a stitch marker to mark the last stitch of the round. We need to go around the stitch marker once, twice, 3 times. 3 rounds, 30 stitches. Finish it up and be back. Three rows, 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows of 30 stitches. That's the last stitch of that row.